Section 1. Introduction. The importance of message authentication. In the digital age, securing information exchanged over networks is paramount. Message authentication plays a crucial role in achieving this security. It verifies the origin and integrity of data, ensuring that messages haven't been tampered with during transmission. Without message authentication, networks become vulnerable to various attacks. Imagine receiving an email seemingly from your bank, requesting sensitive information. Without a way to authenticate the message, you risk falling victim to a phishing scam. Attackers could intercept and alter messages, spreading misinformation or stealing confidential data. Message authentication mechanisms provide the necessary tools to counter these threats. Message authentication is not just about security, it's also about trust. When two parties communicate over a network, they need to trust that the messages they exchange are genuine and unaltered. This trust is the foundation of secure online transactions, communications, and interactions. By verifying the authenticity and integrity of messages, we establish a secure channel for communication. This ensures that sensitive information remains confidential and protected from unauthorized access and modification. As we delve deeper into the world of network security, understanding message authentication becomes increasingly crucial. Section 2. Message Authentication Codes, or MACs. Message authentication codes are cryptographic functions used to verify the authenticity and integrity of a message. A MAC algorithm takes a secret key and a message as input and produces a unique MAC value, or tag. This tag is then appended to the message before transmission. The receiver, who shares the same secret key with the sender, can then use the received message and the key to compute their own MAC value. If the computed MAC matches the received MAC, the receiver can be confident that the message is authentic and has not been tampered with. MACs work based on the principle of shared secrecy. Both the sender and receiver must possess the same secret key to generate and verify the MAC. This key is crucial for the security of the MAC algorithm. If the key is compromised, the integrity of the authentication mechanism is broken. Different types of MAC algorithms exist, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some common MAC algorithms include HMAC, CBC MAC, and CMAC. The choice of MAC algorithm depends on the specific security requirements of the application. Section 3. Hash-based message authentication codes, or HMACs. Hash-based message authentication codes are a specific type of MAC that utilizes cryptographic hash functions. HMACs leverage the strength and efficiency of hash functions to provide a robust message authentication mechanism. They are widely used in various security protocols and applications. HMAC algorithms work by incorporating the secret key and the message into the hash function's input. This ensures that the resulting HMAC value is dependent on both the message content and the secret key. The process involves multiple iterations of hashing, further enhancing its security. One of the key advantages of HMACs is their independence from the underlying hash function. This means that HMACs can be used with any secure hash function, such as SHA-256 or MD5, without compromising their security. This flexibility makes HMACs adaptable to different security environments. HMACs are considered more secure than traditional MAC algorithms due to their resistance to certain types of attacks. They are less vulnerable to length extension attacks, which exploit the structure of some hash functions. This makes HMACs a preferred choice for many security-critical applications. Section 4. Cryptographic hash functions, SHA-256. Cryptographic hash functions play a fundamental role in message authentication and other cryptographic operations. These functions take an input message of any length and produce a fixed-size output, known as a hash value or digest. SHA-256 is a widely used cryptographic hash function. SHA-256 belongs to the secure hash algorithm family and produces a 256-bit hash value. It is designed to be a one-way function, meaning that it is computationally infeasible to reverse the process and obtain the original message from its hash value. The properties of cryptographic hash functions make them ideal for ensuring data integrity. A slight change in the input message results in a significantly different hash value. This characteristic allows for the detection of any alterations made to the data. SHA-256 is considered a strong cryptographic hash function, with no known practical attacks that can break its security. Its widespread adoption in various security protocols and applications attests to its reliability and robustness in protecting data integrity. Section 5. Digital signatures, ensuring authenticity and non-repudiation. Digital signatures provide a way to electronically sign documents, ensuring their authenticity and integrity. They are the digital equivalent of handwritten signatures, offering a higher level of security and trust. Digital signatures rely on public key cryptography. In a digital signature scheme, the sender uses their private key to create a signature for a message or document. This signature is then attached to the message and sent to the recipient. The recipient can use the sender's public key to verify the signature. The use of public key cryptography ensures that only the holder of the private key can create a valid signature. This property guarantees the authenticity of the signature, as only the legitimate sender could have created it. Furthermore, digital signatures provide non-repudiation. Non-repudiation means that the sender cannot deny signing a message or document. The digital signature serves as irrefutable proof of their involvement. This characteristic is crucial in legal and financial transactions where accountability is paramount. Section 6. Public Key Infrastructure, or PKI, the backbone of trust. Public key infrastructure is a framework that enables secure communication and digital identity management. It provides a system for issuing, managing, and verifying digital certificates. These certificates bind public keys to entities, such as individuals, organizations, and devices. PKI relies on trusted entities called certificate authorities, or CAs, to issue and vouch for the validity of digital certificates. CAs act as trusted third parties, verifying the identity of entities requesting certificates. When a certificate is issued, it is digitally signed by the CA's private key. The digital signature on a certificate allows anyone to verify its authenticity using the CA's public key. This chain of trust ensures that the public key contained in a certificate can be trusted to belong to the entity identified in the certificate. PKI plays a vital role in various applications, including secure email communication, online banking, e-commerce, and digital signatures. By providing a framework for trust and identity management, PKI enables secure and reliable communication over untrusted networks. Section 7. Real-world applications, from emails to financial transactions. Message authentication technologies find extensive use in our daily lives, safeguarding our online activities. From securing email communications to protecting financial transactions, these technologies work behind the scenes to ensure trust and integrity. Email security relies heavily on message authentication to protect against phishing and email spoofing attacks. Digital signatures and message authentication codes verify the sender's identity and ensure that email content hasn't been tampered with during transit. Financial transactions depend on robust message authentication mechanisms to maintain the integrity and confidentiality of sensitive financial data. Online banking, e-commerce platforms, and payment gateways utilize these technologies to secure transactions and prevent fraud. Virtual private networks, or VPNs, utilize message authentication to secure communication channels between networks or between a user's device and a remote server. By authenticating data packets, VPNs ensure that only authorized users can access the network and that the data transmitted remains confidential. Section 8. The evolving landscape of network security threats. As technology advances, so do the techniques employed by malicious actors to compromise network security. Attackers are constantly finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities and bypass security measures. This necessitates continuous evolution in message authentication technologies. One significant challenge is the rise of sophisticated phishing attacks. Attackers are becoming increasingly adept at crafting convincing emails and websites that trick users into revealing sensitive information. Stronger email authentication protocols and user awareness are crucial to combat these threats. Another challenge is the increasing sophistication of malware. Malicious software can intercept and alter data in transit, compromising message integrity. Robust message authentication mechanisms, coupled with up-to-date antivirus software, are essential to detect and prevent such attacks. The growing use of mobile devices for sensitive transactions introduces new security concerns. Mobile devices are often less secure than traditional computers, making them attractive targets for attackers. Strong authentication protocols and secure mobile app development practices are vital to mitigate these risks. Section 9. The future of message authentication, advancements and challenges. The field of message authentication is constantly evolving to address emerging threats and leverage new technologies. Researchers and security experts are continuously developing innovative solutions to enhance the security and reliability of authentication mechanisms. One area of active research is the development of quantum-resistant cryptographic algorithms. Quantum computers, once they become practical, have the potential to break many of the cryptographic algorithms currently in use. Developing algorithms that can withstand attacks from quantum computers is crucial for the long-term security of message authentication. Another area of focus is the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, into message authentication systems. AI and ML algorithms can be trained to detect anomalies in network traffic and identify potentially malicious activities. This can enhance the effectiveness of intrusion detection and prevention systems. The increasing use of cloud computing presents both opportunities and challenges for message authentication. While cloud-based authentication services offer scalability and flexibility, they also introduce new security concerns related to data privacy and control. Developing secure and trustworthy cloud-based authentication mechanisms is an ongoing challenge. Section 10. Conclusion: Fortifying network security through robust authentication. Message authentication is an indispensable pillar of network security, ensuring the integrity, authenticity, and trustworthiness of digital communications. From simple email exchanges to complex financial transactions, these mechanisms protect our data and privacy from malicious actors. MAX, HMAX, and cryptographic hash functions like SHA-256 provide robust tools for verifying message integrity. Digital signatures, based on public key cryptography, guarantee message authenticity and non-repudiation. These technologies, working in concert, establish a strong foundation for secure communication. As technology evolves and new threats emerge, the field of message authentication continues to advance. Innovations in quantum-resistant cryptography, AI-powered security systems, and cloud-based authentication solutions are shaping the future of network security. By staying ahead of the curve and embracing these advancements, we can fortify our networks against evolving threats and ensure a safer and more secure digital world.